With Prodigy, you can capture single pages or multi-page or documents that have many pages to have them read aloud consecutively. For this, in standard mode, open the magnifier.
Mode, read.
By default, you're in read mode, which indicates to place one page and will capture one page at a time. If I want to go into multi-capture, I can open the settings by pressing the settings button on the top left
Settings
side
menu. 9 items.
and navigating to mode,
Mode. Read. Mode menu.
where you have the choice
3
between
items.
live,
Read.
read, and multi-capture. For the purpose of this demonstration, let's go into multi-capture and hit the settings button to exit settings.
Closing menu. Magnifier. Mode. Multi-capture.
Now the instructions say place page 1, and Prodigy is ready for capturing several pages. Once your document is positioned, press the read button once.
Saving. Page 1.
When the red frame reappears after the capture, you're ready to position page 2.
Saving. Page 2. Saving. Page 3.
Prodigy will save the pages, and there's no limitation of how many pages you can have in this particular book.
Saving. Page 4. Saving. Page 5.
I will stop on page 5 for this demonstration. Once I'm finished, simply press the back button,
Living.
and this
1.
brings you into a carousel that contains all the pages you've captured previously with a number page under each thumbnail.
2. 3.
If you want to read page 3, simply tap.
View. Locator.
Your locator appears, you can move the locator, or you can tap on the top
4X.
side and have this read aloud.
How do I know if I have low vision? Below are some signs of low vision, even when wearing your glasses or contact lenses.
Press pause if you want to stop. And if you're at the end of the page, and I will navigate to the end of this page, you will hear Prodigy change pages automatically.
Comprehensive dilated eye exam. However, if you notice changes to your eyes or eyesight, visit your eye care professional right away. Or meet Erin, Jorna, Lawrence, and Ruth. Erin, Joma, Lawrence, and Ruth all have vision loss, but available technology.
To pause, press the read button once. If you hit the back button, you'll see where you are on this given page
Locator.
with your locator. And back button
Living.
once more indicates you're on
4.
page 4 and will remember last position. If you hit back again, you're ready to
Mode.
capture a
Multi-capture.
new multi-capture document. Now if I go to my gallery,
Main carousel. Magnify. Gallery. Gallery. Living.
the document I just captured is indicated with a blue book saying that this is a multi-page capture, and we use the first word that we found on the page to name this document. If you
What?
have a single page, the thumbnail will appear differently, indicating a single page.
Living.
If you tap on the multi-capture book,
Living.
it remembers your last
4.
position, and you can
5.
still navigate throughout the book. At this point, we have an action menu, so if I tap and hold on any given page,
Action menu. 4 items. Delete.
I then can delete documents or replace the actual page that I've tapped on,
Insert.
or insert a page before the page that I've just selected, or append to the end, which I'll do at this time.
Magnifier. Mode. Multi-capture.
It's asking me to position page 6, which I've just done. I'll push the read
Saving.
button,
Page 6. Living. 6.
and I can add as many pages as I want in this multi-capture document.
Gallery. Living.
In Prodigy, all saved documents are in your gallery, and if I single tap on gallery,
Gallery. Living.
the last document I've captured will show in the center of the screen. On the right side of the carousel, I will find my previous documents.
What?
This one's a single page, and the blue
Living.
ones are identified as multi-capture documents. I also have categories that I've created on the left side of the carousel.
Prodigy. Living.
To create categories or to move your documents, rename or delete them, simply tap and hold on any given document of your carousel.
Action menu. 4 items. Delete document.
I can delete the document I've selected or
Rename document.
rename the document, which you can do using a USB mouse or a USB keyboard in one of the 2 ports on the right side of Prodigi. Let's rename this document at this time.
Rename document living.
Living is the first word that Prodigi found on the document, and I can add any word at the end of this up to 9 letters. So if I want, I can delete the letters, and I can enter up to 9 letters with my mouse. At this time, I will type in low vision. The keyboard appears automatically on the bottom of the screen, and when you're finished, simply tap on Done.
Gallery. Vision.
Now my document is renamed Low Vision. I can also move this document into the categories I've created or create categories. Again, for this, open the action menu by tapping and holding.
Action menu. 4 items.
If I want to create a category, I can do this here, or I can move the document.
Move menu. 4 items. Bills.
At this time, I'll move it to the Books folder,
Books. Closing menu. Moved.
and the document is
Books.
instantaneously moved
Vision.
in the first position of my Books folder. I can also take this document and export it to a USB key that's connected on the right side of my Prodigi base. This file will be a text file that you can use for a computer to edit the document. For this, insert your USB key, then tap and hold on the document you want to
Action
export,
menu. 3
and
items.
navigate to the last element.
Export OCR text. Closing menu. Exported.
And this document will be
Books.
automatically exported. I can also return the document to my gallery.
Action menu. 3 items. Rename document. Move to gallery. Closing menu.
And return it to the same position it was
Gallery.
in my gallery.
Vision.
A great setting in reading with column mode within Prodigi is to remove the highlight of the words that are being read on screen. If you're light sensitive, that highlight can hurt your eyes and will be a nuisance while you're reading. To remove it, once you're in column or line mode, press the settings button, go all the way down to all settings, then visual, under text, and you'll hear highlight display or find highlight display. Tap on it once to hide the highlight. Exit the menu by pressing the settings button, and notice that the highlight has now disappeared. And if I press the read button,
Shortly after the diagnosis, a vision rehabilitation team was called in to come up with a plan to help Aaron. This team of optometrists, ophthalmologists, and other specialists tested many different low vision devices, but
and now the highlight has been removed.